everyone, this is Danny. How are you today? Now I'm hiking on the mountain. I'm going to a temple. Then I'm going to the tea plantation. And on my way to the temple, I encountered some beautiful maple trees. The leaves have already turned orange and red. They're so beautiful, which reminds me of a very beautiful poem in China. It was written over 1,000 years ago by a poet, Du Mu. It goes like this. 远上寒山石径斜，白云深处有人家。The stony path winds up the cold hill. Where the white clouds float, some cottages lie hidden still. 停车坐爱枫林晚，霜叶红于二月花。I stop my carriage, for I love the maple grove at evening glow. The frosty leaves are redder than the spring flowers that grow. So beautiful, right? Okay, it's time for you to go hiking and see the maple trees by yourself. Have a nice day. Bye.